How to make money on Pinterest with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Hi, I'm Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can start making money on Pinterest from the comfort of your home. In this video I'll be showing you step by step how you can start doing this, and I'll also be showing you examples of persons that are currently doing this, as my philosophy is to recreate what someone has successfully been doing and adding your own little mix to it. I think that is the quickest way to gain success in any niche or in any aspect of your life. As you can see right here, I'm currently on Pinterest, and this is a pin right here, and this is what I will expect you to create also. As you can see, it's a simple pin, and all the person has done is simply post a picture of a projector. And if I were to go onto Pinterest, I can show you more examples. As this one right here, you can see all the person actually did was post a video of this adhesive mirror. That's it. So there are numerous things you can do. You can either create a store front like this, and you can post items from Amazon, or you can post it from any affiliate marketing website that you would want. You can do Amazon, where you post products, or you can do Audible, where you'll post quotes from books. And once a person taps on your link on Pinterest and then decide to go onto Audible, as you can see right here, if they simply sign up for a free membership on Audible, you'll be getting $5. So I recommend that you simply post some quotes daily on Pinterest, and you'll be surprised how many persons will sign up to your free Audible trial. But if you decide to post products, as I had shown you right here and here with the projector, what you can do is go onto Amazon and sign up to their affiliate program. And as you can see right here, for the sale of that projector, that person will be receiving 4%. So if the projector cost is $100, they'll be getting $4 by simply promoting the projector. So for simply creating the pin and posting it on Pinterest, you'll be able to get at least $4 if the person only goes on Amazon and buys a projector. But if they go on to it and buy more stuff, you will get even more commission. It's as simple as that. All you will have to do is post pins like this person does, and then you can create a free website if you would like, or create a basic WordPress website as they have done right here. This is a very basic website, as you can see right here, and you can post some words explaining what the projector is all about. As you can see, simple, and then you'll tap right here, buy now on Amazon, and that's it. As you won't worry about SEO or your website ranking on Google, as your main focus will be directing traffic from Pinterest. So you don't have to write a long blog or anything like that, as you'll be completely targeting Pinterest audience. So how to create a pin, you may say? Well, it is quite simple. All you'll need to do is go onto the website canva.com. Once on canva.com, you'll simply tap on social media, and from here you can tap on Pinterest pin. Once you have selected Pinterest pin, you will be led to this page right here. And let me connect back to the internet quickly. Let me refresh and connect back to the internet real quick. Once on Amazon and once on the page, you can simply find, as you can see right here, examples of pins that you can create. And once you have chosen a template, you can create your pin and simply post it on Pinterest with your affiliate link. And that's it. So the whole basis about affiliate and Pinterest, you'll use Pinterest for the audience by posting the pin, and you will direct them to an affiliate link. An affiliate and getting the affiliate commission is quite simple, as all you'll do is advertise the product. You don't have to be responsible for shipping or anything like that, and you'll be getting paid a percentage. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.